and give me a colorful poo. Mr. Universe here! How's everybody doing today? I'm back with the hat on. You know what this means, everybody. It's time. I have to finally do something. I have to redeem myself for something I messed up on a little while ago. Now, you're probably wondering, what the hell did I do last time and messed up on? I said I was going to eat a yellow crayon.
Yeah, we're not doing that.
Okay? And, see, I don't like to say I'm going to do something and then not do it. That's something that's beneath Mr. Universe. So, to redeem myself, I've decided, not only am I going to eat this yellow crayon, I'm going to eat two of these. And give me a colorful poo. Now just so you know, these are completely non-toxic. Here, I'll even show you. It says right there, non-toxic. I don't know if you can actually read it, but these are definitely non-toxic. I've already eaten lunch, so hopefully I can do it all in one sitting. Alright, here we go, everybody. Make sure that's still on. Yep. Alright, here we go. Yeah. It's terrible. One down. Wrong. Fries are huge. I think I'm eating the jumbo one. Yeah, the jumbo crayon. Now instead of going just regular old small crayons, I decided to go to the jumbo crayons, which probably wasn't the best idea because just eating one of these is like eating three. But then I didn't get 64. God, just one crayon took that long. Next up, another crayon. Yep, I'm eating the paper tube. I don't know how the hell you do shit like this sometimes, man. If you're watching, I take my hat off to you. My sweaty, gross hat. So I ate a buttload earlier, and I'm still eating. These are still the crayons. Nothing's changed. I swear. There's all the crayons. The ones that are missing are the yellow and the green one. No, it's still stuck in my teeth. Alright, well, that's 2 crayons. I think that's plenty to redeem myself. I mean, I said I was going to eat 1 regular sized crayon, and I ate 2 jumbo sized crayons. So, in my opinion, I think I did redeem myself. All done. I think this is where we're going to end it there. Remember, the universe is yours, my friends. Laters! God, that looks so creepy. Hey everybody, welcome to the end of the video. So, the new beats that I'm using. They're from a buddy of mine. His channel name is D9. Link is in the description below. Go check out his channel. He's a good dude. He's got some really good music in there. Alright, laters.